Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both ends. Put the HyperX Cloud Mix in Bluetooth pairing mode. Hold the power/Bluetooth button until the LED flashes blue. That indicates discoverable state. On your PC, make sure Bluetooth is turned on in Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, and remove old pairings for clarity. You do this because many connection failures come from cached devices or low battery. Once those basics are set, move immediately into pairing so the headset stays discoverable and the PC will detect it. You now perform the pairing. In Windows, click Add Device, choose Bluetooth, and watch the list. Select HyperX Cloud Mix when it appears. You should hear a pairing tone or see a Windows notification confirming connection. This is the handshake that establishes audio routes. Make sure to choose the correct audio profile if Windows asks. Pick headset or hands-free if you need the mic, otherwise stereo will give better sound quality. Once paired, test playback quickly so you can adjust device levels and default outputs calmly. You finish by setting the HyperX as your default playback and recording device in sound settings so apps use it automatically. Make sure volume and microphone levels are sensible, and if audio stutters or drops, update your PC's Bluetooth adapter driver. Older drivers cause codec mismatches. If problems persist, power cycle the headset, then perform a headset reset by holding the Bluetooth button for 5 to 10 seconds, then retry pairing. This clears stuck states and usually resolves persistent pairing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.